guys, what's up? It's Michelle and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how to properly do sizing and sizing kits and everything like that, especially if you have a press-on nail business. I actually recorded this video a little while ago, so I'll be inserting like kind of older clips, but I've just been busy and I hadn't had time to edit the video and get it out there. Well, really honestly, my computer, the storage was full and I had to delete a whole bunch of stuff because it kept saying storage disk is full. So annoying. So I was doing that, and I recently just purchased me a external hard drive so I don't have to have that issue anymore, but waiting for that to come in. Anywho, y'all don't need to hear me ramble, but I did record that video a little while ago, so I will be inserting those clips in there. But I want to share with you guys how to create your sizing kits if you're doing press-on nails, and how to properly size clients if they want custom sizes. So I want to go through the different options on how to do that. I know this was a question that I got asked quite a bit on some of my older videos, and also people DM'd me and everything like that, asking me how do you do that. So I'm going to be going over that. So before we get into it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content from moi. And let's get right to it. But before we get into it, girl, these lashes. Yes, my lashes. Yes. Throw it back. Y'all see these lashes? These are my lashes. They're on my website. And these are called Throw It Back. Anyway, I really love these. These like really like make my eyes pop. Make me feel like a baddie. Anywho, so when it comes to sizing and you're just getting started, you need to know the difference between the sizes and everything like that. Okay, so with sizing, with nails, most nails are going to come with numbers going from 0 to 9. That's how most nail sets are going to come. These are just I think these are almond or stilettos. No, these are stiletto sets that I have. But most of them come 0 through 9, or they'll come 1 through 9. It just depends on where you're getting the nails from and things like that. Different nails have different ranges of how they do their sizing and things like that. But for this set, it goes 0 through 9. So if you wanted to send your customer sizing, if you wanted to send your customer a set, you could honestly just send them one of every single size for that set. That's if you don't want to worry about if it's not going to fit and things like that, and you want your customer just to have all the sizes. That's one option. But that is a costly option because you're using more of your product to send out, and so you're going to be going through your nail tips quite a lot quicker than you would if you were actually custom sizing or making the or doing the most popular sizes for your sets. So this is just an option. But if you don't want to do that, your next option would be to have sizing kits available. So with sizing kits, you would send your customer, before they order, they can purchase a sizing kit. This is completely optional for your customer, but you could send them a sizing kit with all the different sizes right here, and just label the nail tips and put them in a cute little box and things like that. I'll be sure to insert a clip of how I did that. Okay guys, so right here I'm just going to be showing you guys how I would make a sizing kit, and this is something that you can do for your customers. I charge $5 for my sizing kit, and it comes with one of each one of the sizes. So on my website, my client can choose whatever shape that they would like. So they can choose like coffin, long coffin, short coffin, stiletto, and everything like that on my website. So they can choose that. And so once they choose that, then I pretty much pick that size, because each size of nail can be different. Like, say for instance, if you have a long coffin nail and you have a stiletto, the sizing for that sizing kit might be a little bit different I know my stiletto ones, like, it's way wider than the coffin ones. So you want to make sure that your client knows what type of nails that they want to get. But they are still fairly similar, but you want to make sure that the fit is nice and snug and cute and everything like that. So I always try to make sure my client, gets the size that they would want to order if they were actually making, like, an order on my website. So pretty much for my sizing kit, I just go ahead and I put my clear double-sided adhesive mounting tape in my jewelry boxes. I get these from Amazon. I'll make sure to have everything linked down below for you guys to check out. But I get these and I peel off the top of the little sticky part so it can stick, and I just place one of each size of the nails inside of my my jewelry box so that I can ship it out. So once I do that, I also go back in there and I write the numbers of each one of the nail tips. Like, I write 0, 1, 2 all the way till 9 so my customer can know which nail tip is which. And I do want to insert that I normally do this with gloves on, especially with everything that's going on with this pandemic mess. So I do this with gloves on, but for video purposes, I just went ahead and made a kit for you guys to see how I would make it. So after I've written like my numbers and stuff like that on the nail tips, I'll usually just package the box up really cute, and I'll put my little sticker on it if I was actually shipping it out. But I'm not shipping this out, so I'm not going to do all that right now, but I would put my sticker on there for me to have my branding and stuff like that on my sizing kit. So right here, I'm just going to be showing you how you would use the size, or how your client would use the sizing kit. So pretty much they would take one of the nails from the sizing kit and they would place it onto their fingernail and see if it matches up. They want to look if the nail is going to fit perfectly from sidewall to sidewall. So as you can see right here on my nail, I'm putting it against my nail and it's not fitting from sidewall to sidewall. It's overlapping on the edge, so you don't want it to do that. So that size would be way too big for my thumb. So I'm going to just put that back and get another size to see what size would work for us. I'm going to try one and see if that fits, and one is still a little bit too big because it's like overlapping on the edges and you don't want that. So I'm going to try another size, and my size for my thumb is a 2, sometimes a 3, but normally a 2 for my thumb. But as you can see, this is a really, really good fit. It fits from sidewall to sidewall. There's nothing overlapping or anything like that. So number 2 would be my size. And for your client, like when they do this, they would just, pick out the sizes, and this would be the size for both of their hands. Like, let's say just have something weird with one of their hands and it's not the same, but this would be the size for both of their hands. And typically when you are doing your pointer finger and your ring finger, those sizes are typically going to be the same for your ring and your index finger or your pointer finger. And your pinky is always going to be the smallest. So this is pretty much how your client would use their sizing kit to figure out what size actually works for them for a custom fit. But you can label it, send it off to your client, and then once they get their kit and they figure out what their size is, they can send their size back so they can have a custom fitted nail set for their nails. That's another option. Now, if you don't want to do that, or if you don't want to offer sizing kits, you can have your customers measure their nails. And I'll be sure to insert my older clips on how you can measure the nail to make sure everything fits, and how your customers can measure their nail and everything like that. So in the previous clip, I was basically saying that your customer can send it back, and they can input their number, not like actually send the nails back, but they can input their numbers like on your website. You can have them write it in the notes or something like that for them to be able to send back, you know, what it is or what their size is for their nails. Okay guys, so right here I'm just going to be showing you how you can measure your nails, or how your client can measure their nails. And so pretty much on my website I have sizes, I have a small, medium, large, and extra large on my website for clients to be able to get the sizes that are pretty much popular and that I sell the most of. So to do this, all they're going to need is a measuring tape, a flexible measuring tape like I have here. And what you want to do is you want to have them count the line. So you're going to be counting the little bitty tiny lines over here, because these are like the milliliters or I can't do it, but millimeters, whatever. I can't say it, don't judge me, but it's like you're going to be counting those little bitty lines. So you're going to take that and you want to count from the largest part of your nail, sidewall to sidewall, and count how many lines are there, or you want your client to count how many lines are there, and pretty much that's going to tell you what size you are. So I'm going to pull up on my website what that size is. So on my website, for that size, which was a size 16, so that would be a 2 on my website. So the 2 would be fitting for the size medium set, and my thumb would be a 2, and that's how you would know what your size is, or that's how you also can find out what your custom size is as well, or you can figure out which set you're going to be in once you measure the nails. So I hope this makes sense. Those are the different options to be able to make sure your nail sets fit your customer and things like that. Now when it comes to actually doing custom sizes, like let's say your customer is let me open this. There we go. Sorry, this is a newer box. So let's say your customer is like an in-between of a 3 and a 4. I would always go the size up. So that's what I also forgot to mention to you guys. So 0 is always going to be your largest size, and 9 is going to be your smallest size. But if your customer is an in-between on a size, I would always go a size up, because you can have the customer, or the customer can file it down just a little bit to fit perfectly onto their nails. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope it made sense and everything like that. Sorry for last week. I did not post a video last Monday just because your girl was trying to get her life. Seriously, I had spent pretty much all week cleaning up my house and trying to organize everything. I went and bought another shelf to help me organize stuff because everything was just everywhere. And then I was also making a lot of products and stuff like that as well, so that I can start shipping orders. So your girl was busy and I just didn't get around to it. Well, I had a video ready, but when the thing started saying storage is full, I got frustrated and everything like that. So I'm sorry about last week, but I am going to post this video, and I'm also going to post another video that I was supposed to post last week for you guys, so y'all have plenty of content to watch to help you grow your business. So anywho, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe with anyone, especially share with anyone who you know is looking to start a press-on nail business, who needs help, guidance, and things like that. I am here for you ladies, and I'm here to help. I also do have a wholesale program now where I am selling wholesale nail kits. So if you're looking to start your press-on business but you don't want to do all your press-on sets, I do wholesale, and I do make custom sets and things like that. And I also have a kit for people who are looking to just do it themselves, but they need the nail tips and they don't have a way to get nail tips, or they don't have a nail supply placed close by them. I do have nail tips on my website as well that you can purchase directly from me. So anywho, I hope this helps you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.